Technicians should always personally check the air filter because homeowner reports about maintenance are often unreliable and the filter condition directly affects system performance and diagnosis. A physical inspection reveals whether the filter is actually dirty, fitted correctly, and appropriate for the equipment, so always remove the filter and hold it up to light to assess airflow obstruction and visible buildup. Look for signs of dust caking, oil staining, or biological growth, which can indicate broader issues such as duct contamination or a leaking flame sensor. Note the filter type and pleat count, and confirm the installed micron rating matches the system design because an overly restrictive filter can reduce airflow and cause short cycling. Check for installation errors like reversed orientation, gaps around the frame, or temporary cardboard substitutes that homeowners sometimes use. Verify any date or marker on the filter and ask how long it has been in place. If unknown or longer than the manufacturer recommendation, replace it immediately and document the change for the service record. When replacing, install the correct size and a filter rated for your intended airflow, and advise the homeowner how to mark a date and set a simple reminder to prevent repeat problems. Common mistakes include accepting the homeowner statement that the filter is clean, which leads to missed contamination or misdiagnosis. So always inspect and document the actual condition. Another issue is using the wrong filter type or a damaged frame, which can bypass filtration and reduce efficiency. So measure the slot and confirm the filter fits snugly and replace with the proper specification. Finally, technicians sometimes forget to check for secondary effects like restricted airflow causing frozen coils or high amperage draw. So after changing or cleaning the filter, recheck system temperatures and motor current to ensure the problem is resolved. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and lets us share job leads and reputation details that relate directly to routine maintenance and diagnostics. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we and other tradespeople exchange tips, post photos, and ask questions to prevent repeat service calls.